Hello everyone, I'm Beam. Welcome to Will You Press the Button? We're going to see let's see. This isn't but okay, so we're gonna think about this. You can pause time whenever you want, but there's a 50% chance you'll be stuck in time forever and ever. Yeah, that's not worth it. A religion completely vanishes from the planet. A major economic crisis holds back science for 20. No! You can have any superpower you want. There's a supervillain that is threatening to save you. Yeah, I'm okay with that. You can live in the world of Harry Potter, one of the most talented wizards. Nah. I don't really like Harry Potter anyways. Never black out, get too drunk, or get poisoned no matter how much you drink. You can only drink alone. Meh, whatever. You can speak any language fluently, you'll have a terrible stutter. Nah. Okay. You make Pokemon might. I'll accept it. I see no problem with it. You become the. What the heck? You become a tyrant, turn into a superpower. If you become a tyrant of a country and turn into a superpower, your country go down. No. I'm okay with that. It doesn't say I die or anything. Well, hey, it doesn't say I die. So, yeah. No. I don't even play Left 4 Dead, so no. Ever year? Yeah, I'm okay with that. You're sealing a capsule that leaves you safe from harm. Harm outside, harm on yourself, but you also live forever. You can't. No, I will be bored. There's nothing to do in there. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Do 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 do. You can turn anything you want, whether an animal, fictional character, you feel free. I'm okay with that. It'll be interesting, but okay. You're intelligent and everything mentally can solve, create, and manipulate. You can communicate with any people you think you're full. You can't communicate with anyone people think you're worried. No. No. But you're a villain. But only if you're a villain to a more powerful hero. No. You can have superpowers. Oh wait, hold on. You were rich and be able to order anything you could realistically do. You can never leave your. Hey, it doesn't say you can eat, in your yard and such. That's okay, I'll get someone to buy it for me. You get to live in a cool adventure video game, but as an immunity. Nah. You will have the most beautiful singing voice ever known to bring joy to everyone. You're not allowed to hear yourself sing. I'm okay with that. You're Batman's, but really? Really? That's how we're gonna do it? Yeah. Now. Everyone on Earth dies except 50 of your choosing. You 50 rule the world. Sorors are called God. You and the 50 sorors are called God. You create Earth, but in her image. Once your empire gets large enough, then a revolution happens and your empire crumbles. Nah. I'm okay without that. You will become king of the world and receive $1 trillion from euros. That means you'll have to live on. Very funny. No. Have 4 legs. No. Make 8,000 ability. Everybody have to work on. I'm okay. Yeah, that's fine. You'll be able to do anything you ever wanted. You have to work the your nightmare for free. No. You get any video game you want for free as soon as the development ended, even before the official release. You only have 2 fingers on every hand, including thumbs. You get to choose what you want. No. Pokemon became a real thing and began appearing all over the world. This does not include anything. I'm fine with that. You have absolute control over your dreams. You will only be able to sleep every other day. I don't sleep half the time anyways. Ugh. You'll have amazing powers and travel the world. Your best friend betrays you. I will not. You can see all eventual past for in future. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. You can. No. No. Freaking class. You have the ability to think about how much you want something and it comes true, but you don't. But you don't want to happen come true too. When you think about it too much, you don't want it. I'm okay with that. You have the ability to move things with. No, because that'll be counteractive. You couldn't see what you're moving. You become the most intelligent, you alive. Man, I'm okay with that. Become. You aren't stuck here forever, but you'll never enjoy. No, I will not. Scarlett Johansson falls in love with you, but you can't taste bacon. No, I love bacon. You become rich and famous, you can never be an apparent. Yeah, that's okay. You can live in any game as protagonist, you can't leave until you've been bathed. And you feel pain. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Maybe an entire day every year with a superpower to it. You'll be excruciating pain for the next month. No. You can take anyone you want, like, but simply talking to them. You have to take a deep breath after every word you speak. No. You can live in a fictional universe better than your ability. Nah. You enter a world you're choosing that you can control your own year after. It's okay. You'll get every computer and game for free. You sleep 16 hours per day. Yeah. Piss off. You'll have free internet video games versus pizza. You want delivered to live for, and you'll live forever. But you'll never be allowed to leave your house, have anyone over, or will you adapt? You'll live forever, but whenever I want to die, I can just bring someone over. Right? We have the ability, we can make cat whenever we want. Nah. 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 Hmm. Nah. Alright, no. Your nose are thinking, you're hearing listeners. No. You don't know it's naturally that you age about every time you think about aging, you cannot age for more than a week every day. Nah. Stop it. You can go to every concert. No. You can travel to any location. You can do. You have thousands of. Yeah, I'm okay with that. I guess one more. You can teleport, but if anyone sees you teleport, you will. Easy, just hide behind. Alright, I'm gonna end this here. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, whatever, and see ya.